Turkey's Bayraktar AKINCI UCAV just achieved a historic milestone, successfully firing a supersonic missile that could redefine modern air combat. The UAV-122 missile, equipped with a TV seeker, was launched during a test captured in a video. This remarkable achievement highlights Turkey's rapid ascent in the global race for advanced drone warfare capabilities. This isn't just a technical feat. It's a clear statement of intent. Supersonic missiles launched from unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, open up new dimensions in modern warfare, combining speed, precision, and the ability to strike without risking human lives. Now, the integration of a TV seeker further elevates the missile's performance, enabling real-time visual targeting and exceptional accuracy against moving or dynamic threats. The Bayraktar AKINCI is already renowned for its versatility, has now proven itself as a platform capable of deploying cutting-edge munitions. This development places Turkey at the forefront of a technological revolution, where unmanned systems are taking on roles traditionally reserved for piloted aircraft. The UAV-122 missile test solidifies the AKINCI's position as a strategic game-changer, poised to deliver decisive results in a variety of operational scenarios. Turkey's defense industry has grown at an unprecedented pace over the past decade, and this test is yet another example of its progress. Bayraktar, the manufacturer of the AKINCI, has become a global leader in the development of unmanned systems, delivering innovative solutions that rival the best in the world. The successful test of the UAV-122 missile underscores Turkey's ability to not only keep up with global trends, but to shape them. The implications of this success extend far beyond the technical realm. Supersonic missile capabilities deployed via drones represent a seismic shift in air combat strategy. These systems allow for rapid, precise strikes on high-value or time-sensitive targets, giving operators a significant advantage in both asymmetric and high-intensity conflict scenarios. By leveraging UCAVs for such missions, Turkey is demonstrating how relatively low-cost platforms can deliver outsized strategic effects. The UAV-122 missile's supersonic speed and TV seeker technology indicate its primary role, engaging critical targets with minimal reaction time. This capability is invaluable in a battlefield environment where speed and precision often determine the outcome. While specific details about the missile remain classified, its deployment on the AKINCI highlights a seamless integration of advanced munitions with one of the most capable UCAVs in the world. Geopolitically, this test sends a clear message. Turkey is not only committed to developing indigenous military technology, but also to becoming a major player in the global arms market. This success will likely have ripple effects, influencing regional power dynamics and elevating Turkey's position in the evolving landscape of drone warfare. It's a bold move that signals Turkey's readiness to compete at the highest levels of military innovation. The Bayraktar AKINCI UCAV represents a cutting-edge advancement in unmanned combat aerial vehicles, embodying the technological strides made by Turkey's defense industry. Developed by Bayraktar, the AKINCI is a high-altitude, long-endurance drone designed to carry out a diverse range of missions, from reconnaissance and surveillance to precision strikes with advanced weaponry. At the core of the AKINCI's capabilities is its advanced avionics suite, which includes a fully autonomous flight control system. This system enables automatic takeoff, landing, and navigation, ensuring the drone can operate effectively even in contested environments. The AKINCI is powered by twin turboprop engines, which are available in different configurations. The most notable variants include the PT-6A 135A engine produced by Pratt & Whitney Canada and the AI 450T engine developed by Ukraine's Ivshenko Progress. These engines allow the UCAV to achieve a maximum altitude of 400 feet and an endurance of up to 24 hours. The AKINCI is equipped with a state-of-the-art payload system offering unmatched versatility. It can carry a wide range of munitions, including air-to-ground missiles, precision-guided bombs, and standoff weapons. Notable armaments integrated into its arsenal include the SOM standoff missile, MAMML, and MAM-C guided bombs, and the Bozok laser-guided missile. This capability enables the drone to engage both stationary and moving targets with high precision. Furthermore, the integration of supersonic missiles, such as the UAV-102 tested recently, underscores its capacity for rapid and high-impact strikes. The UCAV's payload is not limited to weapons. It is also equipped with advanced sensors and electronic warfare systems. These include a synthetic aperture radar capable of providing high-resolution imagery and detecting targets under all weather conditions. Electro-optical and infrared drones in the barn. EO/IR cameras provide real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. Additionally, the drone is fitted with signal intelligence, SIN, and electronic intelligence, ELEI, systems, which allow it to detect and disrupt enemy communications and radar systems. Bayraktar has also integrated satellite communication capabilities into the AKINCI, enabling operators to control the drone beyond the visual line of sight. This feature significantly enhances its operational range, making it a valuable asset for long-distance missions and strategic operations. The AKINCI ability to share data with other assets in real time further strengthens its role in network-centric warfare, where seamless coordination between multiple platforms is critical. The AKINCI's design prioritizes survivability and adaptability. Its robust airframe is designed to accommodate future upgrades, ensuring that the platform remains relevant as technologies evolve. The drone's modular architecture allows for the integration of new payloads, sensors, and weapons with minimal effort, making it a future-proof solution for dynamic operational requirements. From a strategic standpoint, the AKINCI provides significant value to operators. It can perform a variety of missions, including close air support, intelligence gathering, and target acquisition. Its ability to loiter for extended periods enables persistent surveillance and rapid response to emerging threats. The combination of its high payload capacity, advanced sensors, and precision strike capabilities ensures that the AKINCI can deliver decisive effects across the full spectrum of military operations. The Bayraktar AKINCI UCAV is not only a testament to Turkey's growing defense capabilities, but also a symbol of its ambitions in the global arms market. With its cutting-edge technology, modular design, and versatile mission set, the AKINCI stands out as a formidable tool in modern warfare, capable of reshaping the dynamics of aerial combat and offering operators a significant strategic advantage. In summary, the Bayraktar AKINCI's successful deployment of a supersonic missile is more than just a technical breakthrough. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare. As unmanned systems continue to evolve, their ability to deliver precision strikes with unprecedented speed and efficiency will reshape the battlefield. Turkey's achievement not only showcases its growing capabilities, but also sets the stage for a new era of aerial combat.